Hello, I'm Dr. Bruce Eimer, and I'm here today to talk briefly about my Concierge therapy program. I've been a clinical psychologist for over 36 years. In my time, I've seen a lot of patients who have had a lot of therapy and seen a lot of therapists and still hadn't gotten better. So after doing a lot of thinking and a lot of research and a lot of experience in doing therapy myself with patients, I came up with a program that is called Marathon Hypnotherapy. I've been doing hypnotherapy for almost 36 years. I'm very involved in its utilization and in writing about it, teaching about it, and doing research. I specialize in treating patients with chronic pain syndromes, with post-traumatic stress disorder, chronic treatment-resistant depression, and persistent anxiety disorders. I found that my marathon hypnotherapy approach is very effective for people with many of these situations. Now, what marathon hypnotherapy essentially is it's intensive therapy, having extended sessions that last for 2 to 4 hours over several consecutive days. This provides the safe space that's necessary and the extended time in order to really focus in on getting well. The initial part is the initial evaluation, which is the first meeting that lasts anywhere from 2 to 3 hours, in which I take a comprehensive history of your problem and of you that's relevant to coming up with a treatment plan that's individualized to you. Then we talk about actually doing the therapy, which involves using hypnosis, hypnoanalysis techniques, ego state therapy, parts therapy, internal family systems therapy as needed, and also EMDR therapy as needed. The approach is to uncover the root emotional causes of your psychosomatic symptoms and problems, and then to understand them and to resolve them on a conscious and unconscious level using the very powerful technique of hypnosis. This approach is a concierge therapy approach. It's not covered by insurance. Therefore, it has to be paid out of pocket by you. Therefore, it only makes sense to do this if you are really committed to doing the intensive work of facing the basis for your problems and resolving them so that you can get well and be happier. I've done this with a number of patients in the last year, and I've been doing it with patients over the course of the last 15 years. I learned this approach from several of my mentors who were pioneers in the practice and the theorization of clinical hypnosis. If you're interested in finding out more about this, you can go on my website, bruceeimer.com, and of course, read the pages on concierge therapy. You can also schedule a free 15-minute consultation with me on my website so that we can discuss whether or not this approach would be appropriate for you. Also, feel free to call my office. The number, again, is on my website. Thank you for listening, and I hope to hear from you.